Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be setting up a Postgres server and access it remotely. The Postgres server can be hosted on any spare laptop, PC or even a virtual machine which is having Linux installed in it. I already have a server running. Let's access it through SSH. For that, I will open my terminal first and access it through SSH. I'll type the password. Alright. Now for installing Postgres, we need to use apt. Depending upon the OS you are using, it may have different versions of Postgres available as in the package manager. In this case, we have Postgres version 15. Also, we will need a text editor to edit the config files. We'll install Vim for that. Alright, so now the things are installed. Let's access Postgres via PSQL. For that, we will write sudo -u. Postgres is the default user that is created while installing Postgres, and we will use PSQL. Now the first thing we will do is set up a password for the user Postgres. And we will give it a secure password. Now we can exit out from PSQL with \u. Now we need to edit some config files so that we can access it via remote host. For that, we will go to now we need to config two files here. Let's first start with PostgreSQL.config. Now to edit this, we will need root privileges. So we will use sudo vim postgresconfig. Here we can search for localhost and we will change it to star and we will uncomment this. Now changing this to star will allow the server to accept connections from any machines. We will save and quit. We will again edit pg underscore hpa.config. Let's go to the last line. We'll copy this line and we will change this address to 0.0.0.0/0. Alright, now we will restart Postgres using pgctl. We'll use pgctl cluster 15 main restart. We can also check the status. It says server is running. Now let's access it via another machine. We can use an application called pgadmin. This application is available in Windows, Linux, Mac, everywhere, and the whole process is applicable to all the OSs. Now let's register a server. Let's name it, let's say my Postgres server. For the connection we'll use the address. The username is Postgres, password was password. We'll save the password, and then we can save it and it connects there.